Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how can you still download and install Citra in 2025. So as you know, the Citra official website has been shut down and there's no available that you can download the Citra from the official site. So I'm going to show you the alternative way for you to download, and let me show you how can you just install it and the easiest way and the best settings for you to run Nintendo 3DS games. So first, open the description link. The download link is in the description below. Okay, so now scroll down to this site, and then in the right hand slide you have this for Linux, macOS, Windows. So I'm going to go with this Windows. Now wait for it to download. Okay, after it's downloaded, now just close the browser and then open File Explorer. You can see the downloaded file here. Now right click on it, click on extract all. Now extract. Okay, so inside it we have this. Okay, so now open Citra Qt, and then now just click on no. You can double click to add a new folder to the game list. So I'm going to double click, and I have my games, the 3DS file stored in here, my documents, select folder, and now you can see my Super Mario 3D Land is downloaded. Okay, so let me show the ROM file. Okay, so there's a 3DS file here. You can right click on it, and the properties, you can show that the 3DS, this is a 3DS file of the Super Mario 3D Land. Okay, so you can download this kind of the ROM file of the game in the Google. You can just Google it. So I'm not going to show you the specific way for you to do it, as it is not allowed in YouTube. So let's try it out this game. So now you can see the compatibility is okay. Okay, before we begin, just go to emulation and configure. Now you can go to graphics. There's a lot of settings here, but the one that I'm looking for is this. I would go to advanced and then the API settings. The graphics API, I think you should change from OpenGL to Vulkan. I think Vulkan offers you a better graphics experience, or if your PC is a very outdated PC or an old PC, you have an old graphics card, you can try OpenGL if Vulkan doesn't fit with you. Okay, so just now click OK, and then next you can configure here, and you can go to controls. This is where you can set your controls. I don't have a controller, so I'm just going to use my keyboard and going to leave it default. So you have the circle pad and the C stick. You can adjust it according to your preferences. You can clear all by doing this, restore to defaults, and then you have the auto map options. If you have an PS4 controller or a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, you can just auto map the controls. Okay, so there are the hotkeys. If you need it, you can find it here. So the audio is here. I'm just going to leave it as default. The system is okay, just leave it as default. So now just click OK, and then let's start the game. Double click on the game.
Let's go.
Okay, you can see the game is running, and then we can just play it. Okay, so now you can go to view, and you can change the screen layout here. This is the single screen, and then next this is the large screen, You have the large screen here and the small screen here. So you have a hyper screen, you have two of the large screen and one of the small. Side by side, you have the large one in the left and the small one in the right. Now, separate window, you have two windows. The small one is in the separate window. Okay.
Display.
Okay, I'm just going to show you a little of the game. Okay, you can see the story is just running very smoothly. Okay, so I don't think that I'm going to play the game for you, and you can see that the game is running and the 3DS games are most of the 3DS games is compatible with the Citra emulator, so you can try it yourself. And if you like this video or you have any question finding the ROM file, you can ask me in the comment section, and then I will be very willing to help you. And if you like it, give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will show you more tutorials about this. So I'll see you next time.